and welcome to another YouTube video on talking travel. This video, as the title suggests, is a very different video than what you guys usually see on talking travel. This is not a travel video, and this is something I don't usually do. I don't talk about myself or anything personal on the channel or about my journey, but today is a very special day, and that's why I'm going to be sharing this very important slice of my life with you guys, because it's you guys who are responsible for bringing me where I am today. Just as the title suggests, we are a family of 100k subscribers, and this means so much to me. This is a very huge milestone for me. Literally cannot express in words how important this is for me, and thank you guys for helping me reach this milestone. It was not easy. It took a lot of hard work and consistency and perseverance and just hard work, plain hard work.
और फिर उस हार्ड वर्क को रिवॉर्ड करने का टाइम आ गया था। YouTube आपके 100k सब्सक्राइबर्स कंप्लीट होने पर एक ईमेल भेजती है that you are eligible for applying for a silver play button, और मैंने वही किया। Went and applied for the silver button. So once you apply, YouTube reviews your channel to check whether you fulfill all their eligibility criteria. और 2 हफ्ते बाद
Thank you. So finally, the YouTube button is in my hands, and this feels so surreal. It feels so amazing to actually finally have this in my hand. ये obviously मतलब मैंने अभी तक तो सिर्फ फोटोज़ में इसको देखा है. I've seen it on other YouTubers channels in their videos of getting their silver button, but for me to be able to actually hold this in my hand like this and show it up here on the channel itself is I don't know how to say this. I never really needed any validation, and not just me actually. हमारा जो काम है, it is really so out there in the open, because it's on a public platform, right? Whether it's a YouTuber or an Instagrammer, we are out there on social media, so people know what we're doing, and people also know the results of what we're doing, how we are performing, etc. क्योंकि हमारे numbers होते हैं, views होते हैं, comments आते हैं, तो इसके through people kind of know what a person is doing in life, somebody who's a YouTuber. So validation as such कभी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, but this really is something which I feel it's like a testament to my hard work, and it's a testament to doing everything that I dreamt of doing. When I started my YouTube channel, I never really envisioned and thought of it as a money earning business. Of course you make money out of YouTube, but for me, I didn't start the channel because I wanted to make money. I didn't start it because I wanted to become famous or wanted people to know me, and I didn't even do it because I wanted big numbers on my YouTube videos. Like, I didn't want to reach just to the masses and do every kind of content out there under the sun ताकि सब देखे और इतने views आए और उतने पैसे आए. For me, I started this journey, this channel 2 years back, purely out of my passion and my love for content creation. I won't even say for travel. It is purely for content creation, because the entire journey of creating content, right from when a concept runs in your mind to when you just look at some destination or some shoot ideas come to your mind, to script writing it, researching, planning, reaching out, making 5,000 calls to clients and sponsors, you're trying to get sponsors on board, doing sales calls and deals, and then finally reaching that destination, shooting wahan pe, doing some fun mad behind the scenes, sleepless nights of shoots, and then coming back home and stitching everything together, daily fights with my editors on edits. All of this is something which drives me so much, and this whole content creation, the work of content creation is what I love and I always love, and that's why I started the channel. So for me, this is really a testament to my hard work that I have been putting in every single day of these 2 years. All the sleepless nights, all the social gatherings I've missed, all the things I haven't bought for myself only because I wanted to use that money to put back into the business. So this really testifies all of that, and it just makes me so happy. So let's get into actually unboxing it. मैंने ये आया था सुबह, अभी हुई है दोपहर, और मैंने इसको अब तक खोला नहीं है because I wanted to do this on camera, and I'm usually very awkward with such things. I don't make videos on myself. I'm not good at expressing myself and my feelings on camera. I just get very awkward, but this is a big one, and this required a video. So let's get to just opening this big guy.
And what is happiness without sharing it, right? So here's when I showed it to my parents for the first time.
Oh, congratulations! So nice! Arey, wow!
iPad give that.
It was like, this is so big. Very nice,
iPad lagi na.
Good,
Laptop,
very
laptop. 13-inch laptop.
But I wanted to make this even more special, and so I decided to send some handwritten letters customized for some of my subscribers, and I set out an email address for that. उस email पे बहुत सारे emails आने लगे, और फिर हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम जो फर्स्ट 50 ईमेल्स आए हैं उनको ये हैंड रिटन लेटर्स भेजेंगे मेरी तरफ से, जस्ट एज अ टोकन ऑफ थैंक यू to be a subscriber and to help me reach this 100k milestone. But the journey of that as well wasn't very easy, so here's what the journey looked like.
और नया आईडी बनाने के बाद जैसे ही मैंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरी डाली इसके बारे में, ईमेल्स आना शुरू हो गए. मुझे मेरा लेटर कैसे क्राफ्ट करना था ये मेरे दिमाग में तो था ही, तो मैंने कुछ सामान मंगवाया अमेज़न से to be able to start work on it. And I was in Himachal जब ये सारी चीज़ें डिलीवर हुई, and then I started the process. तो बेसिकली
थोड़ी गड़बड़ होगी। ये जो ईमेल्स आए थे उनमें से जो लेटर्स भेजने हैं उनके साथ आई एम प्लानिंग ऑन सेंडिंग दीज पोस्ट कार्ड्स। दीज आर फोटोज़ विच आई हैव क्लिक्ड फ्रॉम व्हेन आई विजिटेड दीज स्टेट्स एंड दीज सिटीज़। Like for example, this beautiful image in Chittoor in Andhra Pradesh, and I've got letters from people from these states and these cities. तो मैं उनको उन्हीं के शहर का कुछ फ़ोटो भेज रही हूँ with something written on the back side of the postcard obviously, and with a picture iconic from their own state or city that I may have clicked when I was there. बट एक थोड़ा स्क्रू अप हो गया जिससे मेरे फ़ोटोज़ प्रिंट किए। ही डिड नॉट प्रिंट द फ्रंट एंड द बैक, ही प्रिंटेड द बैक्स ऑल सेपरेटली। सो नाउ आई हैव टू सेग्रीगेट ईच, क्योंकि सब में मैसेज अलग है। एवरी सिंगल पोस्ट कार्ड हैज़ अ डिफरेंट मैसेज, सो आई हैव टू सेग्रीगेट इट बेसिस द स्टेट, एंड आई हैव टू ऑल्सो स्टिक देम बिहाइंड ईच सो दैट दे ऑल लुक लाइक वन पोस्ट कार्ड, like this is the front and this is the back, and I have to stick these.
और लेटर्स का प्रोसेस काफ़ी लंबा चला। पहले इन 100 लेटर्स को लिखा, फिर प्रिंटिंग, ड्राफ्टिंग, एक एक के लिए सेपरेट नोट्स लिखे। घर वालों को भी इन्वॉल्व करना पड़ा बिकॉज इट वाज अ बिट टू मच फॉर मी टू डू इट ऑल अलोन।
So finally I received this letter from Jinal. A postcard which says Dulyajan and with a cute message, and I'm so happy that she says that she plans to come to Assam very soon. Thank you for this one, Jinal. Loads of love.
Well, my name is Kading Mize. I hail from Arunachal Pradesh. As you've written in your letter that you visited Arunachal already, but I would say you miss on good places like Tawang and Mechuga. So I would like you to come over here again so that we could explore it together. And by the way, I've actually subscribed your channel long way back from now, and I really love the positive vibes that you bring around your travel videos and all. Also like your humbleness, and I don't know what to say anymore, so I'm really sorry, but thank you so much for this letter and this picture. Take care.
Thank you, Janal. Got your letter. I'm so excited.
So this has been my journey so far. The journey to growing my YouTube family big and then bigger. I'd continue to do this for as long as I can because nothing drives me more than creating travel content for you all. As for talking travel, a lot is in store. So many new countries I've traveled and brought back stories and itineraries from that I cannot wait to keep sharing with you. This is a milestone, not the destination. तो कुर्सी की पेटी थाम के बैठिए क्योंकि उड़ान अभी भरना बाकी है।